Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I am starting in the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Alhamdulillah, I am in our Masjid Umar and Warifti Quran Academy. Now they are going on Hibzul Quran class. In front of you, our one of the most intelligent student, Abdullah. He will recite the Holy Quran with your melodious tune song. And now we will listen the recitation of the Holy Quran from Abdullah. Abdullah, you can recite the Holy Quran.